Right guys, so let me just give you a quick tutorial on how to buy a domain with Clickfunnels. Let's go.
Alright guys, so once you land on your Clickfunnels account, just go right here to your right, go to your name, go to account settings, click on account settings. Once you click on it, you're going to land here in account settings and just go to your left. Go all the way down where it says domains, and you're going to land here. So it's gonna give you both options: either add your domain, add a domain to a domain that you own, which that means you're going to have to do the whole techie stuff that I was talking about, that has given me a headache before. I don't like it. If you want to do it, go ahead, but this is the easier way because you're already going to be using Clickfunnels as it is. Therefore, the setup process is way easier to set it up with your Clickfunnels affiliate funnels. So we'll just go right here to choose the domain. And let's see, let's just make it really easy. I already own the domain affiliatepreneurship.com. So let's just try affiliatepreneurship.net. And as you can see, it is available. And again, guys, try not to use .net. You could use them, but try not to. Try to stick with .coms. This is just an example. So you're going to hit right here, $20. And then as you can see, this domain is yours for $20 and it includes Cloudflare premium features. And other domain websites where you buy your own domain names, the domains are probably a little cheaper. Before this cloud premium features that Clickfunnels gives you right here, all for $20, you have to pay extra in all of those other websites. So for example, the domain might be like $10 on GoDaddy, but then you're gonna have to pay a few dollars extra probably for performance and optimization, reliable DNS, the Whois guard. You're going to have to pay for all of this extra things, a few more dollars, and it's just going to end up being either the same price or probably a little more expensive per year, because you have to pay for you to own your domain. You have to pay, the fees are yearly. Clickfunnels is $20 a year. And with the other websites, for example, a domain might cost like $10, but then you're gonna have to pay for all this extra things, and it's probably gonna add up to the same or probably a little more. And this is just $20 all in one, and the setup process is extremely easy. If you want this domain, just hit pay 20, and then after you hit pay 20, Clickfunnels is gonna charge you. It's just gonna take a few minutes for Clickfunnels to process your domain, and then you're good to go. So let's just go to the next step, which is, after we buy our domain and our domain gets approved by Clickfunnels, we're going to connect our domain name with whatever funnel we want to connect it with within our Clickfunnels account. So let's just do that right now.
Hey there, if you're getting some value from this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. When you do this, it really helps me to stay motivated and keep making free content for you guys. So make sure you do that. I really appreciate it.
So what you're going to do is you're going to go right here to the Clickfunnels tab, go to funnels. Once you click on funnels, you're going to land here where I'm already at. You click on whatever funnel you want. I'm just going to click on this one right here. As you can see, guys, right here, when I land on my funnel, I have this right here that says sammydelacruz.clickfunnels.com. I don't have my domain here. I just have a subdomain that Clickfunnels has already given me. So it's just sammydelacruz.clickfunnels.com. It says / 4-day free training because it's part of my funnel. There's a 4-day free training that I was doing, that I was giving out for free. There's some ugly letters right here. It's called a path. So what we're going to do right here in the next few steps, we're going to eliminate these right here. We're going to eliminate the subdomain and put our own domain here. And we're going to make this ugly letters come out. So we're going to make this path right here look a little prettier, saying something else. Because when somebody sees like this ugly letters, this might look a little spammy. And as I said before, we want to look as less spammy as possible. So let's do this. So the first step is that we're going to go to settings right here. Click on settings. We're going to go here where it says domain. We're going to click on this. And then when you click on it, all the domains that you currently own are going to pop up. So this is the domain right here. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says save and update settings. Then you're going to go back to the funnel page, and as you can see, it's changed. I put the domain affiliateempirebuilder.com and it changed. It no longer says sammy.delacruz.clickfunnels.com, but now we want to change this right here, this path. So let's go here, right here to this funnel step settings right here, this little icon. We're going to click on this. And right here, we're going to change to whatever we want. So let's say affiliate training dash 4 days. Let's see. Click on that right there. Now it's submitting. And dang, there you go. This is affiliateempirebuilders.com/affiliate training dash 4 days. That's it. There you go. Can you see the website looks a little prettier right now? You can see that? Yeah, so this is what we want. You always want to do that. So make sure you buy your domain, you connect it to your funnel right there, as I just showed you, and you change the path right here. You can do this for all your pages right here.
Hey there, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing the right way, I have a free mini course down in the description below that will teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing the right way. So if you want to know, go to the link in the description below and check it out. I'll see you there.